Good morning. My name is Sonia Landivar, and I am going to start answering question number 3 for chapter 12. There is a continuing controversy whether specific psychological disorders are chiefly biological in origin, nature, or a result primarily from learning and experience, nurture. Select any two disorders from this chapter and prepare arguments for both the nature and nurture positions for both disorders. When we talk about nature versus nurture in regard to anxiety problems, we are usually referring to the cause of the problem. Is it due to nature, a faulty gene, a brain structure, chemical imbalance, or a disease? Or nurture, the environment we live in, our experiences, learning, and conditioning? The answer is both. Genetic information passed from parent to child contains much more than we are aware of today. The passing of hopes, fears, and desires are an integral part of a person's makeup. That coded information predisposes for the disorder, but it is the environment in which we live that controls whether these predispositions will flourish or wither and die. People with obsessive-compulsive disorder, on the other hand, they try to get control over unseen forces and dangers through rituals, like excessive washing or cleaning, counting, checking, searching objects, hoarding, etc. From the nature viewpoint, physical brain differences like deficiencies in the production of dopamine and serotonin, proteins, and even genes cause OCD. But the nurture argument is that our fears, anxieties, have been learned and conditioned in the environment. Now, personality is a combination of thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that makes us unique. It is the way we view, understand, and relate to the outside world, as well as how we see ourselves. Personality forms during childhood, shaped through an interaction of two factors. Inherited tendencies or genes are aspects of our personality passed on to us by our parents. This is sometimes called our temperament. It is the nature part versus the nurture debate. Environment or life situations, on the other hand, are the surroundings we grew up in, events that occurred, and relationships with family members and others. It includes such things as the type of parenting we had, whether loving or abusive. This is the nurture part of the nurture versus nature debate. Personality disorders are thought to be caused by a combination of genetic and environmental influences. An individual might have a genetic vulnerability to developing a personality disorder, and his or her life situation may trigger the actual development of a personality disorder.